You ever pull one book out of a tightly packed shelf, and then all the others start tilting and falling over? That's what happens in your mouth when you lose a tooth. Most people think, it's just one tooth, I can still chew. But your teeth don't live alone. They rely on each other like teammates holding a formation. When one is gone, everything starts shifting to fill the space. The neighboring teeth start leaning in. The opposite tooth begins growing down or up into the gap, and your bite changes without you realizing it. Over time, that imbalance strains your jaw joints and muscles, leading to headaches, clicking, or even facial pain. It's not just about alignment either. The bone where the tooth used to be starts shrinking, because bone only stays strong when it has something to hold. Lose the tooth, and the bone melts away like sand after a wave. That is why people who lose several teeth start noticing sunken cheeks and thinner lips. The face literally loses support from the inside out. And chewing? It becomes less efficient, so you start favoring one side. That creates uneven wear, more stress, and sometimes even digestive issues from poorly chewed food. Replacing missing teeth isn't vanity, it's structure. Whether it's with a bridge, denture, or implant, restoring that space keeps everything else in order. So the next time you think, it's just one tooth, remember, your smile is a team. Lose one player, and the whole formation shifts. And if this helped you understand why replacing teeth matters, share it. Someone out there still saying, I'll fix it later.